Vladislav is a 26-year-old Forex trader from Bulgaria. He began his trading journey back in 2018 and is now managing a $250,000 account with one of the top 3 prop trading firms in the UK, AudaCity Capital.
I got into trading around by maybe 2018. At this time, I had my university intern in one investment brokerage company. And then I might say that I hooked up into the technical side. From now, I'm just studying the market, trying different strategies, also consume a lot of YouTube videos. Also, I follow some my mentors. And that's it. I might say that to now I think I'm doing good.
He started trading small within the market and soon saw his profits begin to grow. Now he is one of AudaCity Capital's top traders.
The first thing I want to highlight is that Vladislav never went into negative territory. He have always been ups in his account, and he kept his drawdown levels very, very low, just between 2 and 3%. His winning rate, his profitability rate is around 50%. So it's not like, it doesn't have like a very high profitability rate, it's just 50-50. But what is important to highlight is also that on average, his winning are twice as big as his losing trade, his losing position. And this is really important because this is telling us that Vladislav is cutting his wrong trades, his losing position short. What is that you are looking for in a trader? This is exactly what we are looking for, because we are happy to share the market risk with you. We are happy to fund experienced traders. We are happy to fund like top players in the market. But it is of course in our best interest that these traders are profitable for themselves and also for us.
Vladislav joined AudaCity Capital's funded trader program in July of 2020. The program provides profitable traders with a funded account to begin trading, with a live starting account of $15,000. The account size doubles at every 10% profit target reached, with Vladislav now at $240,000. After reaching his first targets just after 1 month, Vladislav began to become more successful, hitting his next targets in just a matter of weeks.
I think I have a really good experience with AudaCity Capital. It's my first funding trader company, and I think that I'm gonna stay here for a bit more.
Soon he will reach the maximum account size provided by AudaCity Capital at $500,000. Funded trader programs such as AudaCity Capital's are paving the new way to success for traders who lack the funding to begin trading successfully.
This is a real opportunity for real traders, for real relation for the future. If you think that you can make profit, you'd be welcome to join us, and you got some examples and many examples you can learn from, and we are more than happy to have you on board and support you. Because don't waste your time with demo account and challenges, and stop buying promises of getting funding in the future. Start with real thing. If you have the good track record and you know what you're doing, this is a real opportunity to grow and develop and make profit for yourself and for us.
Vladislav highlights the new generation of traders who are straying away from traditional financial backgrounds and using prop trading firms such as AudaCity Capital to showcase their knowledge and strategy to prove they are profitable. Vladislav's recent success shows he has become a prime example of what can be accomplished in the trading industry, with more victory coming his way.